I'm John Roberts. I started Kent Sheds about 10 years ago. The philosophy of the sheds is that people can get together, meet and socialise and make stuff rather than sitting at home on their own in isolation. They can make good friends and it's much healthier for them. And I like the philosophy of that.
I'm Jim. I'm generally the guy here that makes sure everybody keeps everything tidy to start with, then maybe organise people in various projects that they would like to do. We take in orders from other people. One of the things we've done recently is for the Cheriton community. We've made some planters for their community.
Initially I got some funding from Folkestone and Hythe Council, but that's gone, so I fund the whole thing myself now.
I get the pleasure of helping somebody that doesn't quite know what they're going to do with the lathe maybe, or with some of the machinery, and see the pleasure that they get when they have a finished article and they can say, look, I've made that.
Your donation is extremely welcome. We're just in the process of retreating the whole of this wooden quadrangle. It's not been done for 20 years. It's going to make a massive difference. Thank you very much.